You beat me, and that too without any reason. You scolded me, and that too without any reason. You insulted me, and that too without any reason. You went there, and that too without telling me. You helped them, and that too without telling me. I didn't have money. Having said that, I helped you. I didn't have time. Having said that, I went there somehow. Come here. Come here. Go there. Sit down. Don't talk. Keep quiet. Come here. Go there. Sit down. Don't talk. Keep quiet. Touch your head. Touch your nose. Touch your leg. Show me your eyes. Show me your nose. Show me your hair. Why are you crying? What happened? In what happiness are you jumping? In what happiness are you laughing? In what happiness are you going there? Listen to me. Listen to me properly. Let him say first. Let him go first. Your turn will come. Wait for your turn. Your turn will come. Wait for your turn. Why are you making noise? Girls and boys, don't make a noise. Come here. What happened? Why are you looking upset? Tell me. I am not your enemy. I will try to go there. I will try to learn English. I will try to teach them. What's your name? Where do you live? How old are you? How many brothers and sisters do you have? What's your father? What's your roll number? What's your blood group? Tell me. I don't know where he lives. I don't know what he likes.